Kalel. And I'm Ashay Jorel. And today's date is May the 27th, 2017. And we're TwinsTalkStocks. Five Below reports earnings Thursday, June 1st. And in the past 14 quarters, it's had 11 beats and 3 meets. It beats EPS on average by 6.8%. After earnings, it goes up 7.6% on average. They opened their first store in 2002, and they now have 549 stores. They're aimed at teens and tweens, but they also sell stuff for adults. Their best sellers right now are fidget spinners and slime. Thank you for watching our video. Please like our video. Please subscribe to our channel. And be sure to check out our website, TwinsTalkStocks.com. Also, be sure to check out our Facebook and Instagram page. That's TwinsTalkStocks on Facebook and Instagram. Bye. Now, after our fun, we're going to go to Five Below.